sorry for failing as a Hearthswarming helper, Pinky.
What? With no pudding disaster, my gift with the exact ingredients wouldn't have made any sense. This way, it was perfect. Oh.
At least Twilight has something to show for her effort. I ordered you a fabulous farm hat, Applejack. Alas, it decided it belonged to some pony else.
Pop said sometimes the hat chooses the pony when he gave me this. Hopefully my gift inspired whoever's wearing it to be the best farmer ever.
Something like that.
We're really sorry about your gifts.
We got a bit distracted with Flim and Flam's shenanigans.
Commercialism is the greatest gift of all.
They're better than my gift. Sorry about the Winterzilla.
Oh, he's a big sweetheart, and he ended up being really helpful. It was actually kind of nice to be the pony who saved the day for once.
Oh, really? You mean a giant beast that only Fluttershy could tame, making her the hero of Hearthswarming Eve, was a great gift? Imagine that.
You mean you tricked me into putting my friend in danger on purpose so you... Let's just say it was from both of us.
I guess Hearthswarming helper was kind of a disaster.
I don't know. Ponyville always seems to have way more exciting holidays than the Crystal Empire.